Hi there. This video tutorial is about creating an empty database. Once we're logged in into our cPanel, we scroll down and here we have the MySQL database wizard. I would advise to use solely that way to create an empty database plus a user. It's the most convenient way. I click on it. It will always use the prefix of our hosting package name. So I will first create the database name and I will call it db. Next step, we are asked to give the database username and I will give that the name user. And we need to give it a password. I would advise to make the password as strong as possible, and we can do that by using the password generator. So I will click that. I will just use a generate password a few times. I have copied this password in a safe place, use password, and then click on create user. Now the next step is very important. That is to copy the information that is on top there and paste it into a text document. This information is highly important when you want to use this database, this empty database for example, your content management system. You will need the database, you will need the database user, and you will need the database user password. And it's important that you save this information. So copy that information and paste it into a text file before you continue. So then, once we have this information copied and pasted into a text file, we need to check all privileges. Very important, because otherwise you'll have a database but you're not allowed to put anything in there. So all privileges checked, and then click on next step. And our database user plus password have been created, and you're now ready to use that database in your, for instance, content management system. So this was creating an empty database.